What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're gonna do a full walk around of Big Lou's truck over here. As you guys know, you guys saw it in the previous video before, but a lot of you guys are asking me to do a full walk around, and you want to know what this thing exactly has in it, done to it, and all the goodies. So Lou, well, let's start with the front end. First of all, let's start with the year, make, and model.
So it's a 2016
Okay.
Chevy 2500 HD.
Oh, high definition.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Oh yes.
Silverado.
Silverado, yeah. LTZ.
All right.
Has LTZ Plus package. Has Z71 package. Has everything but a sunroof.
Oh my god. Do you get the rear seat entertainment also?
No,
TV?
I don't, yeah.
Oh man.
I got subs though, so.
Oh, okay. All right. That's fine. That's fine.
But I know why Eddie wanted to start off in the front end, because the front end was done by him. So he did the D2s flush into here.
Yeah, those are fun to cut out.
Those are a lot of fun.
Yeah, I enjoy doing that.
Yeah. And then he did the light bar.
30-inch rigid.
Yep, 30.
I like.
Dual row. And
Very
then,
nice.
Other than that, the front end, you know, we have underneath the hood is the AFE power intake. And as you guys can probably tell, it's deleted too. So a couple things fell off when I came here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll check that out. We'll do a little cold start for you guys later. How about for lights? You have LED, HIDs?
Yeah, I have LEDs for my actual lights, and then for my fogs, I have HIDs because I rarely turn them on, and I know they usually go bad every time they start up and don't heat up and then cool down to.
Yeah, the HIDs don't run that well.
Yeah, but
how about your intake? You notice any difference when you put that AFE on there?
Oh yeah, my EGTs drop 50 or 70 degrees all the time. So I mean, and I love to hear my turbo spool with it. So it sounds great.
Oh, a little turbo spoolage.
Yeah.
All right. What kind of lift you got?
So right now it's a 2 to 3 inch BDS coilover kit, like we talked about before. I mean, I love it, and like I said, I've been talking to a few people on the channel and stuff that have been hitting me up, and I need to go higher because I need to catch more eyes because I use it mostly for my shop. So I'm gonna do a full wrap and, you know, the 6.5 inch lift. So I want to catch a lot of eyes, and it's mostly for posting and not really for daily use. That's the reason why, you know, it's more for cosmetic appearance and stuff like that.
But I mean, you tow, don't you?
Yeah, occasionally, like 5-6 times a year when I go to the desert and stuff.
Yeah, you guys see Big Lou. He'll be barbecuing for us this week, and you guys, by the time you see this video, we'll probably be barbecuing already.
Yeah, or smoking a cigar.
Yes, or smoking a cigar. All right. What kind of tires you got?
So I got Open Country RTs.
Ooh, baby.
5.
Now, did you have empties on this before?
I had empties on them before, and when I first installed the BDS kit, the mechanic who installed them installed a few bolts or the camber in wrong. So the tire tread on the inside was wearing out faster than
that was not me, guys, by the way. I did not
no.
install this lift, just to make it clear.
Yeah, it wasn't Eddie. So I got rid of them. And
now, how did you like the mud terrain? 'Cause I know, yeah, you went from mud to this. I mean, what do you think? Do you notice a difference?
I like the RT more than the mudders, because the mudders are super aggressive tread, and they're really loud. I'm always on the phone when I'm driving. I'm always talking on the phone or whatever, and I can't really deal with it. And to be honest with you, when I tow, like when I go to the desert and stuff, hearing the tire spinning all the time, you know.
So these are a lot quieter.
Yeah, it's a lot quieter.
And you get better mileage out of these.
Yeah, but I mean, yeah, well, it's not that big of a deal with it.
Well, no, not gas mileage. I'm saying, you know, wear.
Oh yeah, definitely. I run they're prorated for like what, 50,000?
Yeah, they give you, I think, a 50,000 mile warranty. The mud train on their tires, they give you, I think, just 0. Yeah. They say there's no warranty on them.
But the cool thing about these is it's kind of in between an RT and it's in between an MT and an AT, so it looks aggressive. It lasts as long as an AT, and I'm happy with them. I really like them.
Good,
you know?
good. And smooth ride.
Very, very smooth ride. Even I let my mom drive this car. Even she went in, she drove it with the mudders on, and with these on, she said there's like a world of difference. So.
Wow. Yeah, no, I agree with them, guys. I love my RTs. It is a nice, smooth ride. I notice you have no amp steps. What's going on?
No, I'm not gonna do the amp steps until I do the lift. So I'm gonna bring it by. I'm gonna do the steps, and hopefully we'll figure out what we're gonna do with the tonneau cover too.
Yeah, that's I'll show you guys that here shortly, but yeah, that's a problem. So what else we got over here? I see a lift pump.
Lift pump, of course, fast lift pump.
It's the fast, what is this, 95, 150?
I think it's the...
It's the 150.
Yeah.
Yeah, fast 150. And guys, when you guys do, you know, purchase these and put these on your truck, make sure you open that to get the water out of it. A lot of you guys have told me, you know, Eddie, do I ever have to open this thing up, the little valve? Yes, you do, because that is going to drain the water out for you guys when it gets full of water. Yeah. What else you got? Anything else fancy back here?
I got the airbags and I got Fox 2.0 shocks that come with the BDS kit when I upgraded it. And yeah, whoever was going to purchase it obviously is going to get those with the kit too, which is a plus.
Nice, nice.
But the airbags are, you know, what's the main attraction in the back. Those things saved my life when I love them.
Yeah, they're. I gotta say, with you know, with these things not having airbags and putting airbags, it's just a world of a difference towing. It's smooth. You don't have that bounce, and yeah. I mean, his trailer's not that heavy, but he puts 2 razors in it. It's a 24-foot trailer. He loads it up good. It's just you still have that little bouncing with these, and with the airbags, it eliminates all that stuff, guys.
Yeah, which is the best part. I mean, if you buy a truck and you tow,
what kind of airbags are those?
They're the Easy Lift, right? Or Ready Lift.
Yeah, Ready Lift, the 5000 Ultimates we put on there.
Yeah, with the little remote control.
Yeah, wireless one.
Which is badass. Well, I got the little back
rigid
too.
diffuse. Those things save our ass.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that, huh? You love your Prius, huh?
I do. That's my Prius.
He loves his Prius, guys. That's good. I'm glad you like your Prius.
Thank you. And then I have Line-X spray and bed liner. My truck didn't come with it for some reason.
Oh, so this is aftermarket.
Yeah, this is
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, clearly Line-X right there.
Yeah.
Best wow.
Thing. I love it.
This thing didn't come? That's crazy. I thought they all came.
No, because when I bought my truck in 2016, I bought it and it sat in the lot for about a day before I bought it, so they didn't have any time to put the bed liner in or give the lights in the bed liner, so I just bought it. And, you know.
Oh, yeah, you got no lights in here either.
No, I got no lights in the bed.
All right, well, we're going to have to fix that.
Yeah, we'll take care of that. Like as promised, tonneau cover.
This cover, you know, guys, I'm really starting to get unhappy with this company. This cover, I mean, what is it? 2 years old?
Year and a half.
Year and a half, and this is the same cover I have, and this is probably the 3rd customer or 4th customer that has complained to me stuff like this. This thing being, you know, unraveled, coming apart. Now I have this cover. My cover's about 2 years old, maybe 3 years old. I've never had an issue like this, so I don't know what's going on. But this is by Rollback. It's their revolver cover by, I believe the company is Backflip, or do you know? Remember the company name?
You said it was Backflip.
Backflip, I think. Yeah, I think it's Backflip, and it's called the Revolver, and this thing rolls up. And you know, clearly, I mean, this cover is, I mean, this part doesn't even lock no more.
Yeah. And
I don't know how in the hell that happened, but you know, these revolver covers, they're not. I'm not really happy with it. I'm happy that mine has not came apart and done this yet, because it really pissed me off. And yeah, this truck stays outside, and yeah, this cover stays outside, but the heat should not be doing this. I mean, it's not like we live in, you know, 115 degree weather in the summer. I mean,
it gets like 95 degrees.
Yeah, you know, and I mean, these covers, obviously he wanted this cover so when he has stuff back here, he can leave back here and not have to worry about it getting rained on or the heat just baking it. And I mean, this is very upsetting to me. You know, I've seen this too many times now, and honestly, guys, I don't recommend these covers anymore. I used to tell you guys, you know, go with the Rollback. It's a great cover. But, you know, after even Martin's truck, 2 customers have complained to me. He's, you know, number 4 complained to me, and clearly he didn't even have to complain. He pulled up, and I was like, dude, what in the hell? You know, what is all this? What happened? So as of right now, guys, if you ask me about tonneau covers, I do not recommend this cover anymore just because it's not reliable. And yes, they did come out with a new X4 tonneau cover. This is the X2. The X4 we put on Martin's truck, and it's only been on there for like 2 weeks, but we noticed that it was a little thicker. The material was thicker. The rubber seemed thicker, but I don't know if it's going to, you know, hold up in the weather and the, you know, terrain that we go in. And, you know, I mean, like, how does that happen? You know, that's, I don't know. And even my cover, guys, I'll show you. My cover is starting to come apart right here, and it's like kind of getting pushed back. I'll show you guys that before or when we finish this. But you know, I'm not very happy with this. So as of right now, guys, do not buy this cover. I do not recommend it. I will find a good cover and something strong that you guys will be happy with.
Yeah, The only problem is that, I mean, the other covers, they're either like the metal bindings that go there, and then you like slide it like how LA's truck is.
Yeah.
Or there's like the ones that are just like the ugly, like, you know, $150 ones that are just look like they're like a little
They
canvas
fold
material.
and yeah, or they're not thick. They're like plastic or rubbery or
yeah, and there's not too many options. That's the only problem. So
yeah, and
mind.
this why I like this cover is because it rolls up. It takes 0 bed space. You still have the whole 6.5 foot bed. That's what's nice about this cover.
Yeah, which we use.
Correct. No, nice. What do we got here?
It's the Monster Truck Hitches Hex exhaust tip.
It looks a little dirty in there. I don't know if you guys can see that in there. Look at that. A little dirty. I don't know. Might need a cleaning.
You might, but
I think something fell off.
And then, other than that, for the exterior,
that's about it.
That's about it, except for the fuels. I mean.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You got your fuel rims.
20 by 10.
20 by 10 or 20 by 9?
I think 20 by 10, I believe.
20 by 10. All right. So you got your little stubby.
Yeah.
Like the little stubbers.
Yeah, I love those things.
Nice. What do you have interior wise? You got some boom boom in that trunk?
Yeah, I got a little bit of boom boom. Got a little bit of. So we got 2 10-inch JL Audio subs.
Ooh, nice.
And if you see, it's perfectly hidden underneath the rear seats. So if you see right here.
Oh, got some boom boom.
Yeah, it definitely.
You know, I
does.
kind of miss boom. I haven't had boom boom since high school, and
Yeah.
you know, I don't know. What do you think, guys? Should I get some boom boom in the old Dirty Max?
I mean, I told myself whenever I get my first car or my first truck or whatever, I have to put subs because my uncle had them, and I remember Eddie had them, and my cousin Michael had them. So
I had, jeez, guys, in high school. So I had it was a black Chrysler. I actually custom, you know, we built everything. It was actually in the Dub magazine. And I mean, I had suede interior, alligator interior, ostrich floors, and I had 4 12-inch W7 subwoofers in the back of that thing. And it was insane. I mean, it was crazy. And this was before I got a Duramax. I was, 17, I think, 18? I don't know. You remember how old it was? I don't even remember how old it was.
you were a young guy.
I was young. I was really, really young.
Not
and
as a father, so.
and you know, I had a lot of boom boom, but I kind of got tired of it. So I don't know. I think it'll be nice if I were to just put like maybe 110 back here, you know, just to get a little boom boom in the trunk. Nothing too crazy, you know. And this is what I'm talking about right here, guys. So you see this thing is coming apart. This cover is supposed to be sitting up like this, but it came apart right here. And well, this is it. So far, this cover, mine has been acting good, but as you see, it's starting to act up over here. So kind of getting worried about that.
Well, I mean, other than on top of the subs, the entire speaker system is all full call, and it has.
Oh, so you have upgraded speakers also?
Yeah, and then I have upgraded LC7 processor, and I have 2 separate amps, one to power my subs and one to power my speakers.
Nice.
And yeah, I mean, it's a necessity for me because I listen to a lot of music and stuff like that too. So I love the way it sounds, and it's very balanced. It's not like too much bass and not enough treble and mid-tone. So.
Perfect. Well, there you have it, guys. That was the full walk around of Big Lou's truck over here, the 2016 Silverado. And hopefully by the time next time we see this truck, it's gonna be lifted 6 inches. I'll update you guys on it and let you know what it looks like. Are you gonna keep 35s or are you going bigger?
I'm gonna keep him for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get 37s.
Oh, okay, so he's gonna change size. He's joining the 37 club.
Yeah.
All right, well, if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.
Yeah.